What's up guys, it's Bria and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I self-care. Care about myself, okay? So it's the end of the night, I'm tired, my skin needs some work, I need to take off my makeup. So basically I'm just going to be taking you through my nighttime routine when I'm feeling a little extra, like I need a little me time. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, to take my makeup off, I'm going to be using the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, and this is the travel size. I believe this is $9.50 and the big size that they have is $30. I just get the small one because it fits better in my makeup bag if I have to take it places. So yeah, not that you care, but that's basically what it looks like. It's fine, we're fine. Okay, this thing's brand new. My sister actually had this and I tried it one night when I was sleeping at my parents' and I loved it. So basically you just take some on your hands and you're gonna rub it around your face. Like so. Now before this, I had never used cleansing balm before. Like I always use like a face wash or like wipes, like Neutrogena wipes or something. But I never used it before I tried my sister's and I think it works awesome. My skin feels so clean afterwards. And even though it's like an oil, like it leaves my skin feeling so soft and like moisturized. Back in with a little bit more. And I do my mascara because it looks a mess. It looks a mess. And like when you have stuff in your eyes, like you don't want to be like washing the rest of your face. So I do this part last. But basically just to take off my mascara, I'm just going to be rubbing it on my eyes. And I'm sure I look like a raccoon right now. Yep. Okay. Cute, right? So now I'm just going to rinse this off with some warm water. I'm just going to use a face cloth and make sure I get everything off. I'll be back. Awesome on eye makeup too. I was wearing waterproof mascara and it literally came off so easily. I didn't even have to like scrub it. I was just like gently massaging my eyeballs. And it comes off so nice. Okay, so I'm clean, which is great. And it makes my skin feel so nice, like just so supple and like moisturized. And I didn't even put anything on it. It was literally just the balm. The next thing I do when I'm really like cleaning my face, giving it a clean slate, I use this Dr.G brightening peeling gel, and it is a Korean beauty product. My boyfriend's cousin actually recommended it to me, and this stuff's so cool. It's an exfoliant, but it's a gel. And basically what you do is you wet your face and then you put a small amount on, you rub it in, and then you see all of the dead skin come off. Like you see all of it. It's so gross, but it's so satisfying. So here we are. So my face has been wettened. Wettened, is that a word? I don't know, you know what I meant. This is what it looks like. You basically just rub it all around. This is honestly like the best exfoliant I've ever used. Like, I feel like no matter what I was using before, it just wasn't getting all the dead skin off. But honey, it's getting it all off right now. So you just rub it around for like 30 seconds to a minute, just making sure you get all your areas. And can you see that? That's literally my dead skin. Don't mind my brows. I know I need to do them. I'm going to do them tomorrow. I've just been busy, but I guess ultimately lazy because I can do my eyebrows at my salon, and instead I just look at the wax pot and go home. I go home. Gross, but it's so satisfying. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse this off now. It doesn't have a bunch of dead stuff on it. I am going to be using the Biore pore strip on my nose and the Masque Bar Pink Clay Peel Off Mask on the rest of my face. This one is for moisturizing, brightens, and soothes. I like it. So we're gonna do that. Just gonna wet my nose. So dramatic. So dramatic. Just gonna really press it in there, you know. Okay. So now I'm putting the mask on. I like the peel off mask because it doesn't leave like a huge mess. Ew, I already got it in my hair. So this and this has to stay on for like 10 to 15 minutes. So while I wait, I am just going to read some of the book I picked up today. I'm gonna read a little bit of it in the meantime, and I'll check you when it's dry. And I'm back. So it's all dry now. I'm just gonna peel it all off. And now this. Ow. Does anybody else ever look at the pore strips, like of what it took out? Again, gross. It's so satisfying. So now I'm just gonna use this Biosca, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a rose water mist with witch hazel, and it's basically like a toner. Just to tighten up my pores that I just cleansed. So I'm just gonna dry that off real quick. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put on my moisturizer. It is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift. I'm pretty sure it's anti-aging, I think. But it has two little creams in it. One's like a red gel, one's like a white cream. So, just gonna mix that up and put it on. I'm going to be putting on the Mamonde lip sleeping mask. So you can use it as a lip balm during the day, and then you can put on, like, you can slather on a lot more at nighttime for like a mask. So that's what I'm gonna do. So what I've been doing for the past like week or so for these like pimples that are breaking out, they're actually just more like dots right now. They're not like actual pimples anymore, which is good. So it's been working. It's the Rapid Clear Stubborn Acne Spot Gel by Neutrogena. I've been taking a Q-tip because it's easier to apply and not make a mess. So I've just been putting it on my Q-tip like this and just dabbing it on the spots that are all over my face. Like, you can use it on spots that are like you can tell that are gonna, like, pimples are coming. God bless my boyfriend, because I've been going to bed like this every night this week so far. Lastly, I'm going to be putting on my Babe Lash Growth Serum. So I've been using this for 4.5 weeks now, and I definitely think that it's made a difference in my lashes. One of my younger clients, she's like 12, asked me if it was my real lashes. I was like, girl, yeah, it is. I was like, why, do they look long? She's like, yeah, they look so long. And I was like, thanks. And other than myself and my sister noticed, great. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching me have my little spa process, getting ready for bed or getting unready for the day. I don't know what this video would be called, but those are all the products that I've used. If you guys know anything better or like something that would work other than having my face look like this, let me know. I mean, I've been happy with how it's been treating my pimples, but I'm always down to try something new. I know consistency is key, so I've been doing this every night since I got the products, and it seems like it's working. I don't know, we'll see. But hopefully your girl has glowing skin soon. Have a good night, everybody. I will see you next time with another video. Peace.